Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, guys, it's not that it's a spectacular trade right now. This is from our AI, though. NVEI 1857 is the alert. I mean, it's not bad, 1886. But I draw your attention to the weekly chart, okay? I'd be watching this one, well, maybe even for the balance of the day, especially if it can take out 19. But even going forward, maybe for a few days afterwards. We never know what might happen. I can't remember exactly what happened during this week, but the stock got absolutely crushed from $31 that week down to 16, and it kept drifting down, down, down. Today it released earnings, and the market is rewarding it today. I mean, again, I didn't really dive in to see what the earnings were all about. I don't really care. All I know is that the market is rewarding them today. But look at the possibilities if it can take out 19 and potentially start to fill in this void. Nobody is saying it's going to get back up here, okay? But I mean, that's what I like to look at. I like to see stocks that have the potential to start filling in areas where there's big voids. And so all we can do is wait. It could happen later on today. Take out 19. But certainly I would be putting this on my watch list tomorrow to see if it has a second day continuation off earnings and maybe start to get into this area. All right, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow.